it's Miss Christine from the Fairfield Public Library. Welcome to our DIY channel. We are closing in on our second week of summer reading, and this week we're going to make tissue paper popsicles. Let's go over what came in your kit. You should have gotten some tissue paper and a trace out of popsicles and 2 popsicle sticks. What you're gonna need from home is glue and scissors. So there's a few different ways you can make these popsicles. One, you can do it like this, where you're just basically ripping tissue paper off and gluing it on. Or you can do it like this, and you just rip off the tissue paper and crumble it up into a little ball and glue it on. But it is so you can have 2 popsicles, or you can combine the 2 and make a double-sided popsicle. Let's begin by cutting out our popsicles. So the first thing that you want to do is you're going to want to put some glue onto your popsicle, which I already did. I'll put some more. And then you're just going to tear off little pieces and put them on. Now, your fingers will get sticky. You might want to do stripes of colors, or you can do groups of colors. Go. And don't worry if it hangs off over the side, because we can trim it off at the end. And you just do that. Continue on doing that. So you're just laying them flat. This is for this example. That's all we're doing. So continue that until your popsicle is all filled up with color. When you've covered your entire popsicle with your tissue paper, you can then take your scissors and trim off any extra that's on the sides. You can glue on your stick. So you're going to turn over your popsicle and put a line of glue in the middle there. You can see. And just put your stick, and then you're gonna have to let it dry. So I'm gonna let that dry. And now we can go over the next way we can make our popsicles, like this. So again, you're gonna take your popsicle and you're gonna take your pieces of paper, except this time, instead of laying them flat, you're gonna bunch them up into balls. And you can pre-make some ahead of time. You can just make a bunch of balls. Okay, so I have some of my paper balled up. And again, you're just gonna put some glue onto your popsicle. And start placing the balls that you bunched up on there. We have to press down so that they stay on there. You can always go back and add more glue if you find a little hole. You didn't have enough glue there, so you just stick that in. Put some more glue. If there's some hanging off the edges, you can trim it off. And you're going to glue your stick on the back just like you did before. However, if you wanted to make a double-sided popsicle, You would only need the one stick, and then you can glue the backs together. You just put some glue on the back of the popsicle that does not have a stick yet, and you can just clop that right on top. But there is our double-sided popsicle. I hope you had fun making your popsicles, and I hope you get to eat some real popsicles this summer. Good luck with your summer challenge. This week's Beanstack code is hike. Bye, friends.